Good morning to all. Here today we are the student teachers of ENS, that is the Higher Teachers Training College, also the University of Berswa. Here we are today, students of Information and Communication Technology, level 4. We want to present a lesson at the level of Form 5, which is titled Computer Networks, something that we are going to explain, that is give the introduction, talk about the advantages, talk about the disadvantages, as well as the type of computer networks. Thanks for your kind attention. So I am called Fonkem Clementine Nanji, and before I start with the class, I would like that other members of the class should also present themselves before we forge ahead.
Bonjour à toute la classe, je m'appelle Hawad Akobet, élève et étudiant à l'école normale des espoirs, TIC 4.
Bonjour ses camarades, moi c'est Maïda de Chantal.
Moi c'est 200 Claude, nous sommes là dans le cadre du projet e-learning.
Bonjour tout le monde, moi c'est l'étudiant Abou Moïmoana.
Bonjour, je suis Moussa, membre du groupe 4.
Bonjour tout le monde, je suis Apata Chantal, membre du groupe 4.
Good morning, I am Dankan Aminatu, a member of the corps.
Now, talking about computer network, this is just a combination of two or more computers that work together in order to share information and exchange resources. Now, when we talk of computer network is something which is global. Without network today, we cannot be able to communicate with people far away. Imagine a situation that is confusing. You are able to talk to somebody in Germany. You are able to talk to somebody in Cameroon. That is as a result of computer network. That is by connecting two or more computers together so that they can share resources and they exchange information. Now, talking about the advantages of computer network. First of all, with computer network, there is easy transmission of information from one place to another. With computer network, we can be able to share information. We can be able to share resources in the network, even though there are some few disadvantages. Because to an extent, there is no privacy in computer network. At times, your information might be decrypted and read by certain individuals who are usually known as hackers. We call them hackers, or to an extent we call them crackers. Those who can access information, who can access information without authorization through a network. Now, talking about the types of network, there are so many types of computer network. The first we have both network. The first network. First of all, we will talk about the bus network. This is a type of network in which one computer, let me just demonstrate it from this diagram. When you see like this is a computer, this is another computer. Let me just say like here, we can take this one as a sensor. We can see that this is a bus network where computers in that network are connected to the main cable. And this main cable is known as the backbone cable. And then by this end here, we have what we call terminator. So this is a bus network. Now, we go to the second one, which is a star network. With a star network, computers are connected to a central device. While in a bus network, computers are connected to the backbone cable. With a star network, computers are connected to a central device. This central device can either be a rock or it can be a switch. Now we have a computer here, we have another computer here, we have another one here, and when we connect all these computers together, they form a star. This is why we call this kind of network a star network topology. Now, another type of computer network topology is what we call the ring network. The ring network. With this ring network, this is a type of computer network in which ring, or we call it forming a loop. Now, this is how it goes. With a ring network. This is this here, this is this here, this is this here, this is this here, meaning that every other computer in this network is connected to every other computer. There is a disadvantage in using this type of network because one computer in a ring network fails, automatically the network is going to crumble. Specifically when the one before, when they fail, at least this one ahead, they can work. But the one ahead, when they fail, the one behind, they can never work. Now there is another one that we call a mesh network topology. Now, this is the most complicated type of computer network, meaning that one computer in the network must be connected to two other computers. With a mesh network topology, it is always very, very complicated. This one connected to this one connected to this one. This is how a network computer, a mesh network computer is being presented, meaning that one computer is connected to two other computers. Now, we can go ahead after this network topology, we can talk about two different types of networks that exist, which we have the intranet and the extranet. Now, when we talk about the internet network, this is a network in which it is used by only members of a particular organization. That's why we call it intranet. But with the extranet network, not only the members, extranet is part of an intranet, but the only difference is that other members outside the enterprise or outside the organization are left to have access to this particular type of network. Okay, from what I've been explaining, who can define me?
Je dis d'abord c'est. Alors, selon ce que vous avez dit, madame, la définition de réseau informatique renvoie à l'ensemble à l'interconnexion entre plusieurs ordinateurs qui s'échangent des informations et se partagent des ressources.
Alright, please can we clap for her? Okay, now I just explained what a bus network topology is and a star network topology. Who can give me the difference between these two types of network topology?
Well, the main difference between a bus network and a star network is that computers are connected to the main cable, also called the backbone. Then for the star network, computers are connected to the central device, which can be a hub or a switch.
Very good. The last question I can give is just for somebody to give me the difference between intranet and extranet.
Ok, madame, la différence entre le réseau intranet et l'extranet. Dans le réseau intranet, ça concerne uniquement les membres de l'entreprise. Seuls les membres peuvent utiliser ce réseau. Et extranet, c'est également un réseau intranet, mais ça ouvre plus d'opportunités à d'autres membres extranet.
Very good. That is good about that, and at least I'm very happy today to see that you guys already have a notion of computer networks. So see you people in the next class. Thank you.